Hey guys, it's Ryan here, and today we're going to be, we're going to be starting a new tutorial. Start infinite tutorials, kind of, but that's good, I guess. We're going to be doing a Space Invaders tutorial. I started one a while back, but I was too lazy, so yeah. So we're just going to call it Space Invaders. Gonna make a new package, me.lion, and a new class, component, let's call this display. Just gonna extend JPanel, not JPanel, JPanel. Let's see, public. Static primal and width equals 800, height equals 600. Then we can say private thread, private boolean running equals false. Just gonna say public. Actually, it's gonna be private display. Also gonna have public static display instance. Gonna create a new JFrame, frame equals new JFrame. But first we're gonna do this dot set preferred size. You could say just dimension d equals new dimension, width and height. I know I'm the only one who doesn't make final variables capital. I just don't like it. Now we just gotta do these more. Set minimum size d, this dot set maximum size d. Now we're just gonna do frame dot add. Instance, or not instance, I was dumb. Well, yeah, instance. So frame dot add this, frame dot pack, frame dot set resizable running, not running, true or false. Frame dot set default close operation JFrame dot close. Frame dot. What do we need? We need a couple more things. Maybe we don't. Okay, now we're just gonna say frame dot set visible true. Now to test this, we're just gonna have main method. Main and all we gotta do is we gotta say instance equals new display. And a frame should show up there. I know what we need to do. Gotta do frame dot set component relative to, or whatever, set location relative to, and we're going to say null. Okay, that's good. And we could set the title Space Invaders by MLG Swagsta. We can say public void run. And this is an overridden method, so and then we say public void start. Public void stop. And we're going to say while running. And then after that, we're going to say stop, or exit, or system.exit 0. And then stop. Oh yes, we have to say implements runnable. Then start, we're going to not for. I'm done. Okay, we're gonna say if running return, because we don't want to start it again if it's already running. We're gonna do the same for stop, but if it's not running, we don't want to start again, so we're just gonna return thread equals null. And thread equals new thread. This. And we're gonna say the thread is a new thread and we're gonna pass in a runnable, which is this, because we implemented runnable. We're just gonna say thread.start. Oh yeah, but we gotta do running equals. Sure. And we can pretty much copy that. That's except we don't have a thread. We're not gonna initialize a thread again. I'm gonna make this false, and we're gonna say this is join. Join basically waits for it to stop. And in this, we're gonna have thread.sleep. And I guess we're gonna say 5 milliseconds. Or we'll just say 1 for now. And in this, we're gonna say tick. That's an update. Ticks the game. And we're gonna say render. Or no, repaint. And these are gonna be methods we make private. Well, repaint isn't. Repaint's an overridden method. Well, not an overridden method, you know what I mean. Private void tick. And we're also gonna have private void render. And passing graphics G. And then we're also going to have a public void paint. This is what repaint does. It calls paint again. And then paint, all we're going to do is render G. And then we're going to import all that. Surround that with try catch. And now if we start out or the println or just say sysout. What this ain't working. Okay. Tick. Same. Oh, okay. Forgot to call start. Me. Same. Perfect. Okay, now we can test the rendering. If it renders correctly. In render, we're just gonna say draw rect. And we can say 10, 10, 10, 10. So a 10 by 10 square, a 10 by 10 square at 1010. So you can see it was there, the outline, but I always forget to say fill rect. And there's our square. So our render is working good. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked that tutorial. That was just the beginning of the program. This is probably going to be much longer than the graphing tutorial. But I hope you liked this, and goodbye.